Selamat datang di kamar belajar bahasa Inggris. Selama beberapa menit ke depan, kamu tidak sedang belajar bahasa Inggris. Kamu akan mengalaminya. Siapkan telingamu, ikuti dengan suaramu, dan nikmati perjalanannya.
You wake up slowly. The room is peaceful. Soft morning light comes through the window. You take a long, gentle breath. Everything feels calm today. You stretch your arms. You smile a little. It's a brand new day. You sit on the edge of your bed. The floor feels cool under your feet. You stand up slowly. You open the curtains. The sky is bright and blue. A few birds are singing outside. The fresh morning air feels nice. You quietly say, "Good morning." It feels good to start the day. You walk to the bathroom. You turn on the light. You look into the mirror. You smile at yourself. Today is going to be a good day. You wash your face with cool water. The water wakes you up. You brush your teeth. You take your time. There is no hurry. When you're ready, you walk to the kitchen. The house is still quiet. You open the refrigerator. You look inside. There are eggs, milk, fruit, and bread. What should I eat? You decide to make breakfast. You take out 2 eggs. You place a pan on the stove. You turn the heat on. Soon you hear a soft, sizzling sound. It smells warm and delicious. You toast 2 slices of bread. The toaster pops. Your breakfast is almost ready. You pour a glass of orange juice. You carry everything to the table. You sit down comfortably. You take your first bite. That's really good. You enjoy every bite. You don't rush your meal. After breakfast, you wash your plate. You clean the kitchen. Now everything looks neat again. You feel satisfied. Next, you check today's weather on your phone. It's sunny today. Perfect. You think about your plans. You decide to go for a short walk before starting work. You put on a comfortable t-shirt. You wear your favorite jeans. You put on your sneakers. You grab your keys. You also take a bottle of water. Before leaving, you look around your home. Everything is ready. You open the front door. Fresh air welcomes you. The neighborhood is peaceful. A few people are walking their dogs. Someone smiles at you. Good morning, they say. Good morning, you answer. You continue walking. The trees move gently in the wind. The sunshine feels warm but comfortable. You hear children laughing in the distance. A cyclist rides past you. Excuse me. No problem. You smile politely. As you walk, you notice a small bakery. The smell of fresh bread fills the air. It smells amazing. You decide to go inside. A friendly worker greets you. Good morning. How can I help you? Good morning. I'd like 1 chocolate croissant, please. Of course. Anything else? Yes, I'd like a small coffee, please. Sure. The worker prepares your order. You look around the bakery. Fresh bread is everywhere. Everything looks delicious. Here you are. Thank you. You're welcome. That'll be $8. You pay with your card. Have a wonderful day. You too. Thank you. You leave the bakery with a warm cup of coffee in your hand. You find a quiet bench in a nearby park. You sit down. The coffee is warm. The croissant is soft and sweet. The croissant is soft and sweet. You watch people walking by. Some are talking with friends. Some are reading books. Some are simply enjoying the morning. You feel relaxed. After a while, your phone rings. It's your friend. Hi, how are you? I'm doing well. How about you? I'm great. What are you doing? I'm sitting in the park and enjoying a coffee. That sounds nice. It really is. Do you want to meet later? Sure. What time? How about 3 o'clock? That works for me. Great. See you later. See you. You put your phone away. You finish your coffee slowly. A gentle breeze moves through the trees. You close your eyes for a moment. Everything feels peaceful. Soon you stand up again. You throw your trash into the bin. You always like to keep places clean. On your way home, you stop at a small grocery store. You need a few things. You pick up some bananas. You choose fresh tomatoes. You add a carton of milk. Then you walk to the checkout. Did you find everything? The cashier asks. Yes, thank you. Would you like a bag? Yes, please. No problem. You pay. Have a great day. Thank you. You too. You walk back home. You unlock your door. You place the groceries in the kitchen. You take a deep breath. Your morning has been simple, but it has also been full of small, meaningful moments. You smile. You feel ready for the rest of the day. And something else feels different. You just lived an entire everyday routine in English. Step by step, conversation by conversation, you stayed inside the experience. You understood more than you expected. You spoke more than you realized. That's real progress. Every time you return, these words will feel a little more familiar. Every time you experience another day like this, your confidence will grow naturally. Thank you for spending this quiet morning here. Take this calm feeling with you. Enjoy the rest of your day. And whenever you're ready, come back and live another everyday adventure in English. See you next time.